Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to this Business Advisory Services update. Research and development, where to start? Accountants, you can assist your small business and medium-sized enterprise clients to have a better understanding of the rules that they need to abide by if they are going to be able to claim the research and development expenditure that they've undertaken as a research and development incentive rebate item and be able to claim 43.5% of the research and development expenditure as an income tax rebate if their turnover is under $20 million per annum. So step one is they need an idea. Obviously, you need to start somewhere. Step two is undertake some preliminary investigations to see if this concept works. Step three, to be able to claim the expenditure, the business must be incorporated as a company, and it's the company that is undertaking the research and development activities. So admittedly, it needs to be something that looks good, that the person involved is going to be serious about. And then they need to undertake a review of prior art or literature. Now, this basically means using the internet, keeping records of what they've checked out, making inquiries of official registers around the world. This is not just in Australia, it's around the world, to see if someone else has already invented or published articles on this particular concept. Out of that, they then need to identify the core items contained within this proposed product. What are they going to do? And to identify the new knowledge that they hope to produce. And then to determine hypothesis or hypotheses. And this is basically statements that they then have to set out to prove or disprove through a series of experiments and record the results of those experiments. It's a good idea to approach some experts to determine whether they know of someone who has already invented a similar product. And then they need to decide whether they believe that their work needs to be performed overseas or some of the work project. Now, this is a bit difficult. So they need to submit what is called an overseas finding to the Australian Taxation Office for a determination. And then I think it's a good idea that they produce a research and development plan. That's not required by the legislation, but it's a good idea. A plan, a budget, and a calculation of the return on investment out of this project that they can submit to the company's board of directors for approval, because it's very important that the company is able to identify to a taxation office investigator, if ever they are asked, what was the process that they went through, and a plan, a budget, and a calculation of the ultimate return on investment helps reinforce that the company was serious about this overall R&D project that started with just one idea. And then they're ready to proceed to the next phase of research and development. If you want to know more about the next phase, why not join us for a free webinar on Tuesday, the 30th of March at 11 a.m. AEST, 12 noon AEDT. To register, go to www.essbiztools.com.au. Have a great day. Goodbye.